For this demo, we're going to take a look to see how we can modify sentences in an adversarial fashion in order to avoid classification for sentiment analysis. You can see that in the first sentence, Misery was the best movie I've seen since I was a small boy. And you can see that that definitely is a correct sentiment of positive, with a prediction of 97.8%. Now, the next two sentences, just by changing the spelling of certain words, like best and movie, you can fool the sentiment classification to transition from a positive to a neutral sentiment, with a confidence score of 53.6%. Finally, if you misspell enough words like best, movie, since, and have a grammatical error contained within the sentence, you can transition the sentiment classification from neutral to negative, with a confidence score of 57.24%. For the sentence with the correct positive sentiment classification, we can now use Captum in order to find out what the attribution score looks like and how it arrived at this conclusion. And you can see that most of the sentences here have a positive attribution, which yielded the overall positive sentiment. Now, if we look at the sentence that was misclassified as a negative sentiment, due to the number of misspelling and grammatical errors, we can see that there was enough of a shift where there was enough words contributing to a negative sentiment that forced our classifier to give the sentence an overall negative sentiment, thus fooling the classification model. I hope you enjoyed that demo.